Okay, so I'm making this just really quick video. I'm not using the screen recording as I don't feel like doing screen recording because then I have to record my audio separately because I don't have any microphone that's just wired. So the audio that I'm gonna be transmitting through my wireless system gotta have some latency in it, like it will have 1 or 2 second delay. So I'm just doing like this. Now I generally use Tinkercad on my Microsoft Edge browser, but I'm just gonna show you how to create a new login. So I'm just gonna open Google Chrome. What I gotta type is, I'm gonna type Tinkercad. Just hit enter. But before you open Tinkercad, you need to make sure that you have your sign in over here, as I have my sign in over here with my official account. That's my YouTube channel account. I'm sorry if the screen is a bit weird, really sorry for that. Tinkercad. Okay, so let's go to Tinkercad. Now what you gotta do is you just need to click on sign in, and you gotta click on sign in with Google. After a few refreshes, here you go, you have just signed in to your account. That is, I'm using my Google account over here. You see over here it's just showing Fireway Workshop written over here. Now what we're gonna do is, on this side of the screen you can see here we have circuits. You're just gonna go in there and just here what you're gonna do is create a new circuit. Just click on here. Now first of all, now this is just really important thing that you need to know. Over here on the component side of this page, you gotta just select all components over here, because if you will select the basic components, then it will not show you most of the components that are available in Tinkercad. So you just gotta click on all components, then you will have all the components. So now you can search for the component. Now you'll get what you need. For example, now I'll just import a breadboard. You can see over here I have 3 options for breadboard. I'm just gonna take the normal size breadboard because that's what you will use. You will just drag it from that side. It might take some time because of the server latencies. So now I have the breadboard. Now I'm just gonna drop it. Now you can use your scroll wheel to zoom it out, zoom the whole screen out, because it will just zoom out the whole screen. Now you can just click on the outside of the screen and just like switch the views of the screen. Alright, now what you gotta do is you're just gonna search for potentiometers. Potentiometer. Here you go, you have your potentiometer over here. Now what you gotta do is you're just gonna place it on the breadboard like this. Now over here you can see a window has opened up. You can just click on the 1K sign over here. You see, you need to go into kilo ohms, and now just type in 1. So it will set the maximum value of the potentiometer that can be attained as 1 kilo ohm. Now this potentiometer's knob can be rotated. Right now the resistance between this terminal, the leftmost terminal, and the center terminal is 0. If you rotate the knob over here, it will have the maximum resistance between this terminal and the center terminal, because the center terminal is connected to a wiper that is connected to a really large resistor, and the resistance is variable. I'm just gonna show you that. I'm just gonna import a multimeter also to show you the basic working. Multimeter, you see, you can get your multimeter over here. Now you just gotta place it over here. Now you see another window is opened up over there. Now you just gotta type in, you're just gonna select the resistance, and there you go. Now your multimeter is in resistance mode. Of course you can do it later over here using these buttons over here. These are just really small buttons. I hope you can see them. You see, you can, when you just do your simulation, you can just click on start simulation, and you can just change the parameters of your multimeters over there also. Now what you gotta do is, when you need to connect the wires, you just gotta click on this terminal. For example, I'm just clicking on this terminal because it will just highlight it as negative. Just gonna click it. Now I have a wire. I'm not clicking it right now, it is just attached to my mouse, and I just need to place it over here. So I'm just gonna click it again, and now this wire is set. Let's just give it a color by this window over here. You can just give it black color. Now I'm just gonna drag a red wire, not the red wire but another wire in the similar manner, and just gonna place it here. Now we're just gonna assign it a red color. Now let's do a simulation of this simple circuit. Now you see, as I told you, the wiper, sorry about that, you see the potentiometer as it is at its minimum value, so it's just showing 0 ohms. As I turn the potentiometer, it is gonna attain its maximum value, that's 1K. So that is how you use a potentiometer in this Tinkercad. I hope this much I'll make right now. I'll make another part of this video showing you the power supply working, etc. Thank you.